am called Geminate Devensure. Welcome to this new tutorial which has to do with Sari, more precisely trading 100. This tutorial has as objective to solve the problem or the error message folder already open, close folder, or use maintenance tool in trading 100. When you are using trading 100, remember you are also using another folder called accounting 100, because both of these folder or files are linked together. When you create a trading 100 file, in the course of the creation of the company, you will first be asked to create the accounting file, then you have to create the trading file. Both files are linked together in such a way that if there is a problem in trading 100, the problem will equally affect accounting 100. Let's look at how we have to solve this problem. In order to solve this problem, we have to go to maintenance. Remember, this is our folder where the accounting files are being located. We have trading 100 and accounting 100, which are all files which are created when creating a new company. In order to fix this error, you have to go through maintenance, and in order to go through maintenance, you have to know where these files are being located. Our files are located on our desktop in the folder enterprise. These are the two files which are corrupted. Now, in order to solve the problem, we come in our window, we look for the search document, we click on the drop down arrow, and we take maintenance. When this window opens, we go to file, we say open. We are trying to open the file which is disturbing. Our file is located on the desktop. I click on this drop down arrow to look for the location of the files which has the error. It is located on our desktop. I click on desktop, and it is in the file enterprise. I open the file enterprise. Now I am going to do maintenance both on the trading file and the accounting file. Why? Because both of them are linked together. If I do maintenance only on trading file and I allow the accounting file, the trading file will not be able to open, and the reverse is true. So let me start with trading file. I double click on it. This dialog box appear. I just click on end. I go back to files. I go on close. I go back to file. I now open the accounting file. I am done with the trading file. I now go to the accounting file by going to file, open. I now choose the accounting file. Remember that we previously did trading file. Now let's double click on accounting file. You see it equally has the same problem. We click on end. You see the accounting file is there. We go back to files, we go to close, go back to files, and go to quick. Now if we enter in our folder on our desktop, we are going to realize that our accounting file will not disturb. Let's try opening the trading file. The trading file will open without any problem. All the icons are now highlighted, and we can do all our operations the way we want. Same as in our accounting file. If we open it, you are going to realize that there is no problem. All the icons are highlighted, and we can go ahead with our work without any problem. So key thing to note is that when you're working in trading 100 and you have a power failure until this message, the error message appears when you're doing maintenance for trading 100, don't forget to do maintenance for accounting 100 in order for the program program to function normally, because both of them are linked together. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe in order to be updated with the new videos we are going to publish on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.